I want to explain JavaScript date. So remember that point here. JavaScript date object is used to display date and time. So why do we use JavaScript date object to display date and time? And using JavaScript date object, we can display timer on the web page. What we can display? Timer on the web page we can display. Okay, sir, we can display the timer also. So now what we can do, I will give you one example to you. First example. First example means how to create date object. Everybody focus. Here I am taking variable date is equal to new date. Which object is created? Date object. Then display document.writeLn. What I'm using? Date. See this? Refresh. What's today's date? Friday, May 5, 2023. Yes. Now I will go to the what here, sir. In this example, we are getting date and time both. Date also coming, time also coming, both. But I need separate, sir. I need separate date. I need a what? Separate time. How to do this? So what we are going to do, first we are creating date object. You need hours where h is equal to date dot get hours. Variable next is what? Get minutes. Variable s is equal to date dot get seconds. Then I can say document.writeLn hour, minutes, seconds. Refresh. Understood my point here? It will give 24 hours time. So you can see 316. So 316 only, like that. Sir, I need separate time. I don't need. I need date, sir. Date. Date means what I can say. Get day, get months, get full year. So let me say get day, month, year. Day, month, year. Here we need to write what here? Slash or hyphen, anything. Are we getting? Get month. Refresh. So tell me, 5th date correct. But what is a month? Actually, this is 5th month. But what we are getting? Why? Because month always starts with 0. So whenever we are working with month, always we need to take what? +1. Or you can see this. They design from 0 to 11, not 1 to 12. Understood my point here, no? So we need to add what here? 1. So like that, we can take separate what here? This one. So I hope you people got an idea. With the help of date class, with the help of date object, we can display date and time. And even I told you next example, with the help of date class, we can display the timer also. Are you ready for timer? But this design is bigger. So let me give you the timer also so that it looks good for you people. First, I will write the style. For whom I will write the style means for body. So what I will say? I will say background color, linear gradient. What I'm taking? Yellow, red. So see this, refresh. Is it coming? Yes. So this is coming, but this is not good now. So what I will do, I will take a height 100 VH. Refresh. Okay. So now what we need to do, I need whatever I'm writing in the middle. I mean, whatever I'm writing, it has to go to the middle. What we should say? This display flex, justify content center, align items center. If you write this line, 3 lines, whatever you write, it will go to the what? Center. Center means I didn't understand, sir. Center means you can see the span. This is my span. So see this refresh, nothing is coming. But I will say here something like what your result. So see this, it is going in the what? Center, automatically middle it's going or not? But here I want to print that ID. ID as what? Result. But for this span, what I want to do? For this span, I will say what here? Padding 10 pixel. Box sizing, border box, and box shadow 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 6 pixel, hash, white color, FFF, refresh. So I do one thing. This is T, this is 12. Yes. And I will make it what here? Width. How much? Refresh. But 100 pixel is too much. I will take it 50 right now. Right now I will take 50. Yes. So now it's coming like this. Okay, sir, we got an idea. So this is normal one only. I did not do any JavaScript code here. This is CSS design. So now what is my requirement is I want to display the timer here. What I want to display? Timer. Whatever the timer is there here. Whatever the timer. So timer means what we need to do? I need to go to the script. So I am telling window.onload function. Onload event. So window.onload means whenever it is loaded, it will call one function. Which function it will call? Get time function. Which one it will call? Get time. So immediately I need to write one function. What is that one? Get time. Variable date is equal to what? New date. Variable hour. Date dot get hours. Minute. Get minutes. Variable s date dot get seconds. Understood my point? Hour, minute, seconds. So tell me where I should give this hour, minute, second. I need to give to what? Result. How to give? Document dot get element by ID result dot what we are using? Inner HTML. Hour. See this. Hour. Minutes. Then seconds. So see this, it is coming only for first time. So let me increase the size. I will make it what here? 80. And padding size, I want to take only what here? 6, something like that. Yes. 8 is also too much. I will take 70. Better. Refresh. So tell me, do you think that it's a timer? No. Timer means it has to run. Run. So what we should do? So now what I will do? I want every time which method should be called. Get time method should call in every second. Tell me which method we should use. Interval. Set a interval. So I need to call set interval. What I should call? Get time for every second. Refresh. Timer is coming or not coming? So every time which method will call? Get time, get time, get time, get time, get time. So timer is coming, but there is a problem is there here. In minutes and seconds, there is a problem is there. So see what is the problem. You can see after 60, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 53, 54, 56, 57, 58. Now what is coming? 1, 2, 3. Actually 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 should come. 7, 8, 9 is coming. 0, 9, 0, 7 not coming. Understood my point here now? So whom this problem will come for minutes and seconds. So that's why for minutes I am taking check with minute. Seconds also what I want to do? Check. So tell me which function I am calling here? Check function. So what I will do? I will declare one function called what? Check. It is taking what? I means minute. I means seconds. If I less than 10, I is equal to I plus 0 I am adding. Then I can say what here? Return I. So every time where it will go? Minutes. That minutes will be displayed. Now you can see the magic. Refresh. Sorry? Sorry guys. Before we should add, right? 0 plus what here? I. Sorry, my mistake. That's why 90 came. Not that 90, this 90. No, one student is laughing 90 miss. Over. See here, wait. 45, 46, 56, 57. Now see this. Now 1, 2, 3 coming. 0, 1, 0, 2 is coming. 0, 2 is. So this is how we can display the what here? Timer. Timer we can display using the what here? JavaScript. Understood everybody? So if you need the timer on the web page, you can display the timer also. So we can do multiple operations. So I hope you people understood about JavaScript date object. So tell me, online, offline people understood JavaScript date object? Yes. It's very good, guys. Very good.